check right now.
What's up, Rocky? What's up, Rocky the raccoon?
Hey, Phil, that's for the extended wells on that, on the one part is it? I can go ahead and update it?
Rocky. Where you going, Rocky?
Yeah, you can update it. They didn't have it up there. So, and then you just
Come here, Rocky. Come here, Rocky.
Come back to the permit.
Come here, Rocky. You got babies over there, Rocky? What's up, Rocky? Rocky.
Yes, now one of this.
Come here, Rocky. Were you doing some bolt work up here? Were you up here busting flanges, Rocky? Raise your face shield, Rocky. Rocky, were you up here busting flanges? You got a WCC and a permit? Alright, we're going to go ahead and take off and leave you be, okay? Alright, say bye. Say bye to Raccoon Rocky.
Later, Rocky.
See you later, Rocky. See you, Rocky.